Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a Monzo user, you might have hit that frustrating deposit limit and wondered how to bump it up. Today, I'm walking you through the simple steps to increase your Monzo deposit limit, so you can handle larger transactions without any hassle. Let's dive right in. First off, why does Monzo have these limits? It's all about security. They're designed to protect your account from fraud. But don't worry, increasing your limit is straightforward and usually takes just a few minutes. Start by opening the Monzo app on your phone and logging into your account. Once you're in, head over to the Settings or Profile section, which is typically found in the menu at the bottom of the screen. Next, look for an option labeled something like Limits or Security Settings. Here, you'll see your current deposit limit displayed. To increase it, Monzo often requires you to verify your identity more thoroughly. This might involve linking a verified bank account, uploading a photo of your ID, or providing proof of your address. Make sure you have documents ready, like a passport or a recent utility bill, to speed things up. After you've submitted the required information, Monzo will review it. This usually happens within 24 to 48 hours. While you wait, keep an eye on your app notifications for any updates. If you run into issues, don't hesitate to contact Monzo support through the in-app chat. They're super helpful and can guide you through any snags. One quick tip. Always ensure your app is updated to the latest version, as older ones might not show all the options. Increasing your limit not only makes banking easier but also helps you manage bigger finances confidently. There you have it. Follow these steps, and you'll be set. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.